Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtar Kiani, and welcome to everybody. As you know, we have another technical session today, technical session number 10, and today our subject is aging of the concrete. So we will discuss about this issue today. Hopefully you will like it, and I request you before going ahead to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon, share, in order to get the new video very quickly. As per the topic aging of the concrete, the most processing need for the reclamation aging concrete structure is evaluating the changes in material properties over time that affect the concrete safety. Either it is major structure safety like dams or bridges, and these are the most critical structure elements. The current risk of assessment and evaluation technique takes a snapshot of a dam performance under the projected loading conditions. Like this. This is just for an example. For the most part of the condition of the concrete in the dam is assumed constant over the time. However, the degradation in progressing over time, the dam condition is no longer constant. The aging structure may not be able to withstand the previously assumed loading even if they have no changes. The material model is based on the trends established from history of the laboratory testing and the recommendation mass and the analysis of the structure concrete durability parameter. So whatever the parameter was assumed at the time of mixed design and before the process execution, project execution. This was the matter of investigation. This includes the laboratory mixture properties, studies, field quality record, and the testing program. Reclamation concrete of a concern are typically from 50 to 100 years, over 100-year old, considered with such no longer aggregate, or constructed with much longer aggregate and used different cements in the moderate and the concrete necessity. The development of predictive modeling concrete deterioration is an assuming technology. However, the mass of concrete, by virtue of its much longer aggregate sizes and different materials, does not yet fit for the developing modeling technology. Material modeling is aging concrete properties has been developed from the dams through a record of the core tests concretes in a comprehensive concrete database. For this process, these types of the core is taken from the structure, either it is dam, either it is bridges, whatever it is, and this should be dipped in the chemicals, which is sodium sulfate or magnesium sulfate. It is for the 1000 hours with the 3% concentration dilute. These both are sodium sulfate or magnesium sulfate, and record the initial weight, and then it will go to the final weight after 1000 hours. Then we can calculate this deterioration in the sample, initial weight minus final weight, whatever difference coming, So we can analyze the deterioration in these structures, in these samples, which is taken from the appropriate section, how much the difference loss of weight is happening. So now we can draw one curve for the analysis, x-axis and the y-axis. Y-axis will show the aging time, 10 year, 20 year, up to 100 year, 120 is more. And the x-axis line, it will show the deterioration. So it is computer generated graph or manually draw graph. The reading will taken every 50 hours, 100 hours. So all the reading, so highest reading will be the final reading. It will be recorded and connected to the y-axis in that graph, and from there is the reading of the age factor can be possible. So we can achieve something that in during 1000 hours, if we get this much age, so 100 year can be calculated easily. So by this process and by this parameter and by this analysis, we can reach to the aging of the concrete after passing sometimes the appropriate structure either in the water or either in the open atmosphere, whatever the weathering effects coming, whatever the water effects coming, it is completely in the moisture. So we can analyze, because concrete is the most major elements and most major the materials which exist in the universe, and it can be sustainable up to how long, the age, which is most important, very, very important. And also by this way we can achieve some specific model and we can reach to the limit for further investigation or analysis and assumption. So this was our subject today. Still our concrete subjects are going on. After that we will start aggregate and the asphalt also. Our next session is precast and pre-stressed concrete. So thank you very much for review this video, and hopefully we will see each other in next video with another new subject. Thank you very much and have a nice day.